Hello, my name's Lorenzo, and in this video I'll show you how to create an event that has a free registration along with optional add-ons. So let's get started. I'll go ahead and drop in some event details, and I found that having this in the event description initially works as a roadmap to guide us along as we're creating the event. So for this example, let's say that we have an arts and crafts event that is free, and then we have optional pricing options to collect donations. If you are a PTA or a nonprofit, then this video will be helpful for you. Okay? So the date that we have is October 6th from 11 a.m. to 12:30 p.m. And then the registration fee for the event itself is actually free. And then we have a few pricing options to pick up donations. So think of this as a way to raise funds. All right, so let's go ahead and continue with creating our event. So I'll add in the details. So an arts and crafts event. And now we can go ahead and set up the date. So we know that it is on October 6th. So let's go ahead and use the date picker to find October 6th. And it starts at 11 and it wraps up at 12:30. All right, so we'll move this back and then select the 30 and we are good. So we've just created the date time for the main event itself. Now what we need to do is to actually create date times for the donation options. So what I can do is to actually duplicate this, and I'll do that 3 times. And then I could say arts and crafts, and then we can add in the details. So donation for 10, donation for 20, donation for 50. And now we can go ahead and adjust those pricing options. Now remember that the main event or the event itself is actually free, but we'd like to offer the option for guests who are attending to make some contributions, and this will also help for guests that can't make it to the event, okay? So we'll say free registration, and we want to allow registrations up until the day before, so we'll find October 5th and select that. And now what we need to do is actually set up pricing options for the donations. So we have the date times, now we need some pricing options. So I'll duplicate this 3 times and then I can start updating details. So donation for 10, donation for 20, and donation for 50. And then of course I'll connect those pricing, or I should say I will add in the correct pricing to update these. And the reason why I duplicate is because some of the details themselves remain the same. So it saves some time because we know that the details for the dates are the same amongst all of them. So that's a heads up on why I'm doing that. We can drop the quantity limit. And now we need to check the access for the pricing options and date time. So let me show you what that means. If I click on the gear icon here, you can see that this arts and crafts date time is assigned to every single pricing option that we've created. However, we just need it to be connected to the free registration. And then I'll check out the donation option and drop the ones that don't apply. So donation connects to donation. And then I'll do that for the remaining ones. So this is donation for 20, so I'll leave that one and drop the others. And then I'll drop the other options and leave the donation for 50 because again we're looking for that match. Okay, and from here I'll scroll up and click on that Save Draft button, and then I'll follow that event to the front end. And here is an overview of the event. So we have various options, and remember that the registration for the event is free, but we're offering the option to raise some funds, and this will work for guests that can attend or can't attend. So from here what you can do is add a featured image, connect a venue, and then update the event description, and you'll be ready to go. Thanks for looking.